It's a Thursday morning here, and there are unfortunate things that happened yesterday. So I'm here cooking outside. But actually, this is a grill. So I'm supposed to cook our breakfast inside, but inside the house is under renovation. Not only the house, but also our water pump is not working properly. So our water from the well is it's not clear. It's a lot of sands coming out from it. So we have to fix it now. Maybe it will make 3 days for working on it. And if we hired somebody to fix our well pump, it might cost $10,000. So what we are going to do now, for the meantime, we're going to test it, and it will take 3 days of work. So the more we become like in the what you call that, our place is like more in evacuation. Everything we have to put away from the place that we need to open up inside the house.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Real Life. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Now guys, I'm just cleaning the grill to make breakfast. I'm cleaning this grill to make a breakfast. And another thing, yesterday our internet is not working. Actually, not only yesterday, it's been 2 days our internet is not working. We're going to buy again the things for repairing the deep well. Going to buy here some tools and pipe and fittings. What we're going to buy?
Yeah.
Okay. We found the pipe plug.
Okay.
We're going to put on the hose of the well.
We'll check to see if that'll slide the wool.
We found the pipe plug.
Okay.
We're going to put on the hose of the well.
We'll check to see if that'll slide the wool.
It's really rusted. We have to change.
Turn it over. Let go. Turn it over. Make it easier. I'm gonna check it also. See if we need to replace it. I don't see it. And don't matter because there's another check valve. One too much. It's not coming through. I'll show you in a second.
So guys, this is the things that we need to change. It's malfunctioning.
Tape. Yeah, the tape goes on. I didn't see the glue unless you did. Fill in any variations in the threads. There. Then take this, screw it on. Take this, get it out
Perfect.
of the way.
We're going to open again the pipe.
There's a ring here. You hold this.
Here.
Yep. Like that.
Wait a minute. Can you hold? I'll go there. Morning, guys. Wow. Napakalamig dito. Nasa 4 degrees Celsius, 3 degrees Celsius only today here in our place. As you can see, there it's a foggy day. Now I'm going to get a water on the other property. Wow. You see, guys, I have to use my gloves. It's just only a minute away from here. Because right now we're still making deep well here. Installing a deep well here in our house. That's why I need to get a water. Well, my hubby is still inside. He just woke up, so I'm the one who will do it. I will not wait him. Zero visibility. Guys, frozen na yung side, yung window. Ay, yung glass sa harap ng sasakyan. A bit frozen. Nawala na yung snow sa harap ng sasakyan. Pwede na akong mag-drive. Nakikita ko. Yan, guys. Hindi mo siya gaano makita. So, kailangan ko punasan yung harapan ng salamin para makita ko. So, kinakailangan natin umikot para pumunta doon sa likudan. Nandun kasi sa likuran yung deep well dito. Actually, he's also the one who make this house. But now this was owned by her daughter. But they are not staying here. They're just visiting. It's like a vacation house. That one is another house. House of her sister. But he already passed away. So this property was owned by her daughter now. So, ayan yung deep well dito. Siguro mga 3 days pa bago namin maayos yung deep well doon sa bahay. So, igib-igib lang muna kami. Ang inumin naman namin is mineral water. So, still okay. I think I have to move the car near to the deep well. Guys, it's zero below. We are below zero right now.